Everyone thinks the best-selling filament dryer box is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Creality Space Pi SE. The Creality 2026 New Upgrade Filament Dryer Box Pro, or Space Pi SE, caught my attention right away with its promise of high efficiency. Priced at $39.99, it's positioned as an affordable solution for keeping your filaments dry. If you want reliable moisture control for your 3D printing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Space Pi SE heats up quickly and can reach 65 degrees Celsius within just 15 minutes. It uses a built-in fan to distribute hot air evenly, ensuring that your filaments stay dry and ready for use. Since 3D printing filaments are hygroscopic, too much moisture can lead to clogs and poor adhesion. With this dryer, you can effectively avoid those headaches and enjoy better print quality. Now, some people complained about its size being a bit small for larger spools. Here's the thing though, if you mainly use 1 kilogram spools, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for most common filaments, including PLA and PETG. This is perfect for you if you're a casual 3D printer looking for an easy-to-use dryer. Skip this one if you need to dry larger spools simultaneously. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if the Space Pi SE size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Sunlu Filament Dryer S2. The Sunlu Official Filament Dryer S2, which has a sleek block design that really stands out. Priced at $38.24, it seems like a great value for what it offers. If you want a dryer that can also hold your filament while printing, you should check this one out. This dryer reaches a maximum temperature of 70 degrees Celsius, which is crucial for effectively removing moisture. The built-in circulation fan ensures that hot air reaches every part of the chamber, drying your filament evenly. It's especially useful if you have your printer in a humid area, as it can help maintain print quality and reduce the chances of failed prints. However, some users mentioned that it could take a while to effectively dry older filaments. But I'll be real with you, for regular maintenance, it works like a charm and can save you from throwing away damp materials. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable dryer that doubles as a filament holder. Skip this one if you need a high-capacity solution. For its features, it's definitely a good buy. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger setups.
Product number 3, Polymaker Poly Dryer. Let's talk about the Polymaker Poly Dryer Filament Storage Box. Priced at $28.79, it's more of a storage solution than an active dryer, which makes it unique. If you want something to keep your filaments safe from moisture while not in use, this is worth considering. The airtight design combined with a hygrometer makes it easy to monitor humidity levels, so you can be sure your filaments are in good shape. You can even feed filament directly from the box without breaking the seal, which is a big plus for keeping moisture out during printing breaks. However, some users pointed out that it lacks active heating features. That's true, but it's designed for long-term storage, so if you're looking for a quick drying solution, this isn't it. For storing filaments between prints, though, it really shines. This is perfect for you if you have multiple filaments and want to keep them in a controlled environment. Skip this one if you need something that actively dries while you print. At this price, it's a great way to protect your investment. Now, if you need something with more active features, the next product might be what you're looking for.
Product number 4, Sunlu Filament Dryer S4. Let's move on to the Sunlu Official 3D Printer Filament Dryer S4. With the price tag of $116.99, it's on the pricier side, but offers a lot. If you're serious about 3D printing and want to keep multiple spools dry, this one's worth a look. The S4 can handle up to 4 spools at once, which is a major time saver. It features 3 circulation fans that ensure even drying and a powerful 350-watt PTC heater that heats faster than previous models. Plus, the adjustable settings let you customize drying time and temperature to match different filament types. This means you can maximize print quality no matter what you're working with. Now, some users felt it takes up a lot of space due to its size. Here's the thing, if you have the room and use multiple filaments, it's a worthwhile investment for the added convenience. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent user with various filament types. Skip this one if you're just getting started or have a limited space. It's definitely a solid investment if you're serious about your printing.
Alright, that was an impressive option, but the last one on the list might be more appealing for those on a budget. Product number 5. Sunlu S1 Plus. We have the Sunlu Filament Dryer Box for 3D printer filament, specifically the S1 Plus. At a price of $37.98, this is aimed at budget-conscious users. If you're looking for a simple yet effective drying solution, this is a great option. This dryer includes a fan that helps quicken the drying process, addressing issues like stringing and clogging caused by wet filament. It also features an LCD screen that displays the temperature, time, and humidity, so you're always in control. The adjustable settings allow you to tailor the drying conditions based on the filament type, which is a huge bonus. However, some users mention that the maximum temperature isn't as high as some pricier models. That said, for most standard filaments, it's more than sufficient and offers good performance for the price. This is perfect for you if you're new to 3D printing or just need a straightforward drying option. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features. It's a great value for money for casual users.
The Creality Space Pi SE offers reliable moisture control for casual use, while the Sunlu S2 is a great dual-purpose option. The Polymaker PolyDryer excels at long-term storage, and the Sunlu S4 is perfect for serious users with multiple spools. Finally, the Sunlu S1 Plus is a budget-friendly pick that gets the job done. Depending on your specific needs, any of these can be a great addition to your 3D printing setup.